Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best hairnets is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools in the food service industry. Keeping food safe and hygienic is the top priority, and these simple yet effective nets play a huge role in preventing contamination. Whether you're a seasoned chef, a busy server, or a food safety enthusiast, you'll want to know how to choose the right hairnets to keep your food and your customers safe. Number 5. Smilco 20 Elastic Mesh Wig Nets, Black. This hairnet is designed to fit heads up to 20 inches, providing full coverage. Whether you have long hair, short hair, or braids, it's suitable for all hair types. It keeps your hair secure while you work. Made of long-lasting and flexible nylon lace, this hairnet is rigorously tested. It can withstand significant pulling force without tearing. The elastic band ensures a secure fit. This is a must-have for ballet dancers, actors, and professionals in food service. It's ideal for securing wigs or maintaining a professional look. You can wear it comfortably all day. The lightweight and comfortable design ensures a pleasant wearing experience. The breathable and soft texture protects your hair from damage. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you have very long or heavy hair, consider your needs. You may need a larger size from our selection to ensure the best fit. There's one that will suit you. What we like. This hairnet offers full coverage, ensuring all your hair is tucked away. Its durable and secure design means it stays in place, even during rigorous activities. If you are looking for a reliable hairnet for food service or active work environments, this is a great choice. What people say. They stay on well. Es finito y resistant. These are great. They are not too tight nor too loose, they have the right fit. Number 4. Nanxson CF9033 Chef Hat and Hairnets. This is the Nanxson CF9033 Chef Hat. It's designed for kitchen use, providing a professional look. It helps keep your hair contained while cooking. The hat is made for comfort during long hours in the kitchen. It's a practical solution for food service professionals. The package comes with 3 chef hats and hairnets. This ensures you always have a clean one ready. These hats are perfect for anyone working in food service. They meet hygiene standards. The hairnets provide an extra layer of protection. They prevent hair from falling into food. Get the Nanxson CF9033 Chef Hat and Hairnets today. It's a must-have for any kitchen professional. What we like. This chef hat is specifically designed for kitchen use, providing a comfortable fit for extended wear. It's perfect for keeping hair contained while you cook. If you're a chef or work in food service, this hat is an essential accessory. What people say. Good chef hats. I bought these for my daughter and she likes the classy look when she wears her coat with it. Nice. I love these hats. Working in the school kitchens, I hate wearing hairnets. This is a perfect alternative for short to medium length hair. My head never feels hot. This works great for the kitchen, hold hair all day and helps your head not sweat while working in kitchens. Well worth it. Number 3. 24 Count Brown Hairnet. This hairnet features an invisible elastic edge for a secure fit. It's designed to be lightweight and breathable, making it comfortable for all-day wear. The elastic edge ensures a snug fit without being too tight. The thicker mesh is ideal for various applications, from kitchen and food service to ballet and sleeping. It's made with a highly elastic nylon lace material. This design provides full hair coverage. It fits all hair types and styles, whether thick or thin. It provides complete coverage and prevents hair from falling out. This makes it a versatile choice for many different needs. These hairnets are perfect for wig wearers, ballet trainees, and various professionals. They are suitable for hotel staff, actors, chefs, and flight attendants. The product is designed for comfort and practicality. The product is made with premium quality materials and comes with exquisite packaging. The after-sales service is always available to answer any questions. The product is sanitary, latex-free, and odorless. What we like. This hairnet features an invisible elastic edge for a seamless look and is suitable for various applications. Its versatile design makes it ideal for ballet, kitchen, or even sleeping. If you like a discreet and adaptable hairnet, consider this one. What people say. These are a nice medium weight hairnet for short to medium hair length. These nets are definitely reusable, which is what I have been looking for. Just hand wash them and hang them to dry. The nets are lightweight but substantial, not like regular French hairnets for ballet. Number 2. Adjustable chef cap mesh cooking hats. This adjustable chef cap is designed to keep your hair secure while you cook. It's a must-have for anyone working in food service, ensuring hygiene and professionalism. The mesh design allows for excellent ventilation, keeping you cool and comfortable in the kitchen. This feature makes it ideal for long hours of cooking. This hat is reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice. Simply wash it after each use, and it's ready for your next culinary adventure. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this cap is perfect for maintaining cleanliness. It's a practical and essential addition to any kitchen. The adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for all head sizes. It provides a secure fit, so you can focus on your cooking without any distractions. What we like? This adjustable chef cap is reusable and washable, offering convenience and value. It's designed for comfort and a secure fit. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and practical solution for food service, this cap is perfect. What people say? This mesh hat is the best. Keeps my hair out the way, reusable and easy to wash. It's comfortable and easy to put on. Once it's on, it stays on with an elastic. It's washable. Son duraderas, no se rompen, aguantan varios usos y son faciles de lavar. Number 1. Chef Hat Kitchen Cooking Cap, 4 or 8 pack. This chef hat is perfect for any kitchen. It's adjustable and designed for comfort, making it ideal for long hours of cooking. The hat is designed to fit most head sizes. It's made with breathable materials, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable while you work. This hat is reusable and easy to clean. Simply wash it, and it's ready to go for your next culinary adventure. With its built-in hair net, this hat is perfect for food service. It keeps your hair secure and prevents contamination. You can choose the pack size that best suits your needs. Whether you're a home cook or a professional, it's a great addition to your kitchen essentials. What we like? This product comes in multiple packs, offering great value. Its mesh design ensures breathability and comfort. If you need a bulk supply for a team or frequent use, this is a great choice. What people say? El material es muy bueno, manejable, trae un elástico en la parte abajo para poder ajustarlo a tu cabeza. Realmente me encantó y lo volvería a comprar, lo recomiendo 100%. Lightweight and comfortable. Muy lindos, prácticos y fácil de colocar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.